अगर आपने इस वीडियो के ऊपर क्लिक करा है, आई नो यू आर either depressed or in a low mood, and I know it's not easy. It's either because of a heartbreak या कोई lost of a loved one या कुछ एग्जाम फेलियर, पर ये सारे चीज में बस एक चीज कॉमन है, which is we expected something and वो चीज नहीं मिला आपको। अब बहुत लोग पूछता है डस डिप्रेशन एक्चुअली एग्जिस्ट, क्योंकि हमारे मम्मी पापा के जमाने में दे वर नेवर डिप्रेस्ड पीपल, लाइक थेरेपी वाज़न्ट अ थिंग। पर आजकल डिप्रेशन इतना कॉमन क्यों हुआ? एंड आई फील उस जमाने में भी डिप्रेशन था बट पीपल वरंट अवेयर ऑफ इट। अब डिप्रेशन के पीछे साइंस क्या है? देखो, हमारे ब्रेन में 3 इंपॉर्टेंट हार्मोन्स हैं, नॉरएपिनेफ्रिन, डोपामिन एंड सेरोटोनिन। And most of the studies show that हमारे ब्रेन में सेरोटोनिन बहुत ज़्यादा लो है and that's why we are depressed. But a recent study has showed that imbalance of chemicals in our brain is totally wrong and उसके बारे में कोई evidence या proof नहीं है। And वो लोग ये बोलते हैं that depression is an experience which is shaped by biology, psychology and environment. Basically हमारा जो environment है और हमारा जो mind का psychology है, that's what leads to depression. See, let me tell my personal story. Like, I usually don't share my personal stuffs on YouTube because मैं हमेशा personal life और YouTube, Instagram life को अलग रखता हूँ. But I feel this is something which you guys should relate. Few months ago, I had a breakup and it was not easy. My parents knew about her. Things were going very well and कुछ unexpected चीजों के वजह से we had to break up. All right. Now, when this thing actually happened to me, the first thing which I could not agree is acceptance. Like, मेरे दिमाग मान ही नहीं रहा है कि यार हमारा breakup हुआ and we cannot be together. Like, my mind wasn't able to accept that. I couldn't cry and at the same time I couldn't be happy. I was smiling on the outside, पर अंदर से मैं बहुत दुखी था. Like, I couldn't feel anything. Like, मैं randomly scroll कर रहा था. I was off Instagram. Like, 2-3 दिन से I couldn't put stories and मैंने reels भी नहीं post करा. So, I know it's hard. Like, I will not go to any random person. I'm like, भाई तू depressed क्यों है? Just come out of it. It's just a breakup or it's just an exam failure. I have felt everything. NEET UG के time में I didn't clear it because I was playing some games and I was still sad. So I have experienced everything. So step 1, हमेशा accept it. I know it's not easy, पर accept करना पड़ेगा. Step 2 is attachment. Like, you guys won't believe it. Even right now when I open my phone, iPhone में ये feature होता है कि जहाँ पुराना photos वगैरह आता है and all. When I see her pictures with me, it still hits hard. And मेरे दिमाग में ये होता है कि यार काश ये सब ना होता, and will I still get a chance to be back with her? I'm pretty sure these are the thoughts which are running in your mind too, because detachment is not so easy like it's supposed to be. So that's why I will be giving you a full-blown plan on how to come out of this जैसे मैं आया. Solution बहुत simple है. Step 1, please stop making phone calls and telling people कि भाई मेरे साथ ये हुआ, उसने मेरे को ये छोड़ा, उसने मेरे साथ ये करा, उस लड़की ने मेरे साथ वो किया, that guy was so bad, उसने मेरे को मारा. देखो, everything in life is supposed to happen for a reason. Whenever I call my friends and tell them कि यार मेरे साथ ऐसा कुछ हो गया, they start to sympathize. And जब कोई इंसान तुम्हारे ऊपर sympathy देता है, that will temporarily give you happiness, but trust me, that will eventually push you back into depression. So stop calling friends and telling about your bad stuff. Step 2, please go to the gym. There are numerous studies जो कहता है कि जब हम जिम जाते हैं, there are endorphins which are released in the body and ये हमारे ब्रेन में डोपामिन को स्टिमुलेट करता है. So आपके जो डिप्रेसिव इफेक्ट है ना, this will literally give you an anti-depressive effect. Step 3, try to make some new friends. New friends इसलिए मैं बोलता हूँ क्योंकि when you talk to your old friends, you tend to be sad and you want sympathy from them. But जब तुम नया दोस्त बनाते हो, you will not want sympathy from them. Instead, you will try to create a new conversation. अब इन दोस्त के साथ what should we talk about? Talk about your dreams. अपने सपने के बारे में, अपने ambitions के बारे में एक प्लान बनाओ. Right now, whenever I talk to my team members, my friends, anyone, I always tell them कि मेरा सपना क्या है. Like, मैं आपको भी बता देता हूँ कि यार मेरा सपना ये है कि मैं चाहता हूं कि मेरे वजह से इंडिया का हेल्थ में कुछ फर्क दिखे. दैट इज माई गोल एंड आई विल वर्क हार्ड टूवर्ड्स इट नो मैटर वॉट माई माइंड सेट इज, नो मैटर हाउ डिप्रेस्ड आई एम फीलिंग. मैं उस सपने के टूवर्ड्स वर्क करूंगा. Now I know it's not easy. बाकी लोग बोलते हैं यार go to a therapist, go to a psychiatrist, just be cool, talk, chill. भाई इतना आसान नहीं है. And I'll tell you what the hardest part is. It's not coming out of the future memories, पर जो past memories होते हैं ना, that pricks you the most. Even right now, I spoke to her recently and I was just thinking, is there a alternative solution जहां मैं उसके साथ रह सकता हूँ. काश मैं ये सब इमेजिन करता हूँ कि this has never happened and it was just in an imaginary universe. And I'm pretty sure आपके अंदर भी यही फील होगा कि काश ये लड़का ने ये चीज ना करा होता तो, ये लड़की ने मेरे साथ ऐसे बिहेव नहीं किया होता तो. So we all have that feeling and that's why I tell healing takes time and it comes from within. No medicine or no pill can fix you from the external aspect. आप चाहे कुछ भी दवाई ले लो, you talk with any therapist in the country, but जब तक आप अंदर से heal नहीं हो रहे हो, you will not be fixed. So let me summarize the fail-proof solution to come out of depression right now. Step 1, go to the gym, work out daily just for 30 to 40 minutes. किसी चीज के बारे में मत सोचो, just focus on the workout. Step 2, change the environment. अगर आप एक रूम में रहते थे उनके साथ, just move to a different apartment or try to discard all the old stuffs. फोन में अगर फोटोज है तो उसको डिलीट कर देना. And please stop stalking her stories. I know it's not easy. मैं भी शुरुआत में करता था and ऐसा लगता है कि you're just watching a story, क्या ही होगा ज्यादा से ज्यादा. नहीं यार, it doesn't work that way. If you are stalking her profile, it means you are still attached to her. Get that in your mind. Lastly, pick up the phone. Like I told, कुछ नया दोस्त बनाओ. Talk about ambitious stuff. And lastly, I would like to end this video by saying a very famous quote. A wolf was kept in the dark and a wolf was kept in the light. Which wolf survived? आपके मन में यही सोच रहा होगा, the wolf in the light. No, it was the wolf which was fed food. So अगर आप डार्क पे रहते हो and you keep feeding your mind negative thoughts, negative mindset, that will grow and you will stay in depression no matter what. आप शादी कर लो, कुछ दूसरे एग्जाम क्रैक कर लो, your mind will always be sad. Try to feed your mind with positive thoughts. Stay in a way that मेरे को ये बुरा चीज हुआ, but something better for me is on the other side. Right now, I had the baddest breakup of my life. I am sad. I'm working 16 hours a day in the hospital. I'm sleeping for 2 to 3 hours. पर मेरे को इतना पता है कि something better is waiting for me on the other side. So rise and repeat. Stay disciplined for at least 3 to 6 months and your life will change. Because my life right now is slowly changing and I know for a fact it will, like yours will.